Hello guys, this is Germán again in another Just My Review, and today I got a quick video for all you guys that own a Forescape from the 2013 and up. And you know, something that all of us we always looking for is tires. And honestly, when I got my 14, the tires they were very quiet, nice, but the quality and I don't know, something I didn't like too much. They were the Michelins. I know Michelin is a good brand and everything, but I don't know, and the price when I tried to replace those tires, it was very expensive, around $280 to $300. It was too much, and honestly I didn't like the quality from those tires, especially, you know, every often I get a tire with a nail or something, and you know, I gotta fix the tire. Well guys, I find out a tire that is very good, and I've been using this brand for a few years after I changed the original tires from my Forescape. Let's go and take a look at this tire, guys. Okay guys, here we are, and with my 2014 Forescape, as you guys can notice, everybody that owns a vehicle like this knows that from the 13 and up, all these vehicles looks almost the same. It's differences, you know, in the style, inside, computer, the stereo, and the lights in the back, and you know, different things. But if you get a current model with this one, you guys will know that, you know, both of these guys are Scapes. Well, okay, now we are going to the point right now, and is the tires. And this is something that almost all the Scapes we can share. In my case, I got the 235 50 R18. I think this tire also is on the 19. And guys, I'm telling you, I got a lot of problems with those Michelins. I don't know, for some reason I got it in my Lincoln, and also I had it in this one too, but I didn't like it. One of the things I didn't like is they were too expensive. I think they were not strong enough to resist basically a nail or something like that, because I got them flat a lot of times. Now with these Coopers, I can tell you probably they were maybe around, I think 2-3 times the most in 3.5-4 years, something like that. And I know you guys telling me 3 to 4 years. What do you mean? Well, the problem was, as you guys remember, 2 years ago or something like that, I did a video changing this guy. What is this? Well guys, for those guys that didn't watch my video, I'm gonna put this video in the at the end, and this is the arm for those guys. I think the new models, they already put an adjustment in the rear arm. This arm is fixed, and basically as soon as the time start passing and you hitting holes and rocks on the road and everything, well, you're gonna lose alignment. And with certain models, especially from the 13, 14, I think the 15, I'm not sure, I don't know if another models in app, they don't have a way to adjust that bar. And what's gonna happen? Well, when you take it to the alignment, the dealer is gonna tell you you gotta replace that piece for a new one, or if you exhaust for some reason the adjustment area, that's it, you screwed up. Probably you gotta take your vehicle to the body shop to do something to correct that thing. And you know, the easiest way to do that, well, is getting this arm. And you know, I'm not gonna put the links down below because you guys will see it on the video, and on the next video at the end of this one. And if you guys need that, well, with this you guys can adjust, you know, and do the right alignment for the real tires. And as you guys can see, you know, this vehicle basically the tires were basically wearing the tires like this. They get like that, all crooked. Well, when I fix it, it looks almost like this, but I did it manually. I didn't took it to the shop to do the alignment, and it holds for almost 2 years. It was not bad, but well, unfortunately, it wear out, and this time I think I did too much negative. I think it is. I forgot. But it was wearing in that area, and well, after 2 years I have to go and change it, especially it's about to we are about to get snow in here, and well, you know, it's something that I don't want to risk my wife, because this is my wife's truck, and well, I have to change it. Now these tires, I'm telling you guys, these tires are very comfortable, are very soft, and you know, these tires were real nice with me for a few years, and now I got these new ones that honestly, if you guys go and check in Tire Rack, TireRack.com, if I am not wrong, I'm gonna put the link below and also the video, that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. And if you guys go and do reviews in these tires, you guys will see how good they are, and the good compliments in these wheels. Good, the depth of the tread on these wheels, very nice. And somewhere in here, I don't know exactly where they are, but it got away. You guys can see how is the if the guy needs to be aligned or not, and it got some kind of a wear square or something like that, and it shows you if your vehicle needs to be an alignment or if it's good, and stuff like that is very good. This one, the warranty is 70,000 miles, and the model of this Cooper tire is the Endeavor Plus, guys. And you know, I think I paid a good price right now. They used to be cheaper, but now, well, you guys know everything went up, but I think it's still good for $150 comparison to a Michelin that, well, it was $200 and something. And to be honest with you, I like the ride of the Michelin. It's very smooth, but honestly, comparison with this tire, I don't see any difference, to be honest with you. And the price is very good. The tire is made in USA, and well, you know, I took it to the local shop, Maybes, and they did it for me, and also did the wheel alignment. Now guys, if you guys wearing out those tires, make sure to see if you guys can adjust your rear arm. If you guys cannot do that, you guys can get this one. Make sure to check the video, the next video on at the end of this one, to make sure to take this and change it. It's not complicated. You guys can take it to the mechanic. This piece costs around what, like I think it was like 200 something, $300. I don't remember, guys. You guys will see the video. Everything is on that video, how to change it and everything. But all you guys that got problems with your rear wheels, well, that's the easy way to fix it. And as you guys see, it looks beautiful. I love these tires, and guys, I'm telling you, the traction in snow, in rain is amazing. Guys, don't hesitate to check the video, the information that Tire Track got about these tires. It is amazing, and this is a new model tire, in well, like a 2-year-old, something like that, and it's good because you guys can see the history of the quality of this tire. I think it's not only, of course, it's not only for Escape, but for me, I think this is one of the best tires in the market for the Ford Escape. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in another Just My Review. Bye bye, guys.